Hi everyone, in this video I'll be walking you through 5 of the absolute best OKR software you can find anywhere in 2025. I'll be talking you through their features, pros and cons, and everything else in between, and I guarantee it that by the end of this video, you will find the right OKR software for your organization. Let's start things off with our number 1 pick, Teamflect. If your organization is in the Microsoft ecosystem and you're using Microsoft Teams or Outlook as your main communication and collaboration platforms, then the best OKR software for you by a long shot is Teamflect. Because now that Viva Goals is gone, Teamflect is the only proper OKR software built specifically to be embedded into your Microsoft ecosystem. As an official Microsoft partner, Teamflect's OKR software presents a level of seamless integration that the others just can't. This level of integration allows you to manage all of your goals right where you already work, Microsoft Teams and Outlook, and keeps all of your goals and OKRs visible. You don't have to go out of your way into another platform to view your goals. But it's not just an integration game, so let's talk about some features. Teamflect has cascading goals and OKRs, letting you align objectives across all organizational levels. And when it comes to tracking those goals, Teamflect makes the process incredibly intuitive through automated goal check-ins right inside Microsoft Teams. Goal owners receive adaptive cards right inside Microsoft Teams chat to update their goals on their own at intervals of your choice. This empowers them to actually own their goals while saving your managers tons of time, stopping them from having to chase down each employee to update their goal progress. And the best part is, since Teamflect is a complete performance management platform, you can integrate goals with other key modules. You can create related tasks and measure goal progress through task completion. If you want to keep your goals visible and have goal-related conversations, you can integrate goals into your ongoing Microsoft Teams meetings and actually present them as interactive presentations. And when it's time for performance reviews, you can integrate an employee's goals into their performance reviews inside Teamflect and have goal-related discussions and have their goal progress impact their review rating. And let's not forget Teamflect's AI-powered goal-setting features. You can use AI to analyze an employee's performance appraisal, all the 360-degree feedback they received, and everything else in between to set tailored development goals specifically for them. All of this and so much more make Teamflect the best OKR software on this list for Microsoft users. The only possible downside to Teamflect is that you have to be in the Microsoft ecosystem to use it to its full potential. With that said, let's move on to number 2 on our list. Number 2 on our list is going to be a giant from the world of HR tech, Lattice. And among a plethora of other continuous performance management and employee engagement capabilities, they also offer some very strong OKR and goal management features. So let's talk about them. Lattice's key OKR features include the ability to set, align, and track OKRs at all levels, OKRs showing up in one-on-ones, check-ins, and reviews, transparent dashboards and alignment views, integrated pulse surveys and people analytics, as well as an integration with Slack, Teams, and major HRIS systems. That being said, their Microsoft Teams integration does leave a lot to be desired, as it is simply goal updates. They also offer some deep integration between goals, performance, and feedback, and great visibility across all departments. They also have quite the user-friendly interface and strong customer support. So are there any downsides to using Lattice? Well, sort of. It is a huge and expensive platform, so it might be too costly and complex for some teams. And as a huge platform, it is slightly rigid, so customization is not its strongest suit. That being said, it is still an amazing platform. Number 3 on our list is going to be ProfitGo, a flexible and feature-packed OKR software that is a true jack of all trades. It will handle everything from simple goal tracking to some advanced performance management. It is a great alternative for companies that want to customize every single aspect of their OKR management process, from goal setting to performance reviews. So let's take a look at some of ProfitGo's features. ProfitGo offers 300 plus KPI templates that are ready to use, OKRs at company, team, and individual levels, performance reviews, feedback, and weekly check-ins, custom dashboards and automation flows, as well as multilingual support. Their major pro is that it is a great end-to-end OKR and performance management tool, and they are highly customizable for different teams and use cases. That being said, let's talk about some of their downsides. If we look at some of the reviews online, we can see that their interface isn't very easy to use, so new users might have a bit of a hard time. That might be because their interface isn't as modern or minimal as some of the latest tools. That being said, ProfitGo is still one of the best OKR software you can find in 2025, and they are a great alternative for growing teams because they are so easy to scale. Let's move on to number 4 on our list, Workboard AI, an AI-powered strategy execution tool that takes advantage of artificial intelligence in their OKR management capabilities. And they recently acquired another OKR tool, Quantive, so you know that their OKR capabilities are going to be at their peak. So let's go over some of Workboard AI's features. Workboard AI allows users to set and link multi-year strategy to their OKRs, and their AI suggests leads and lag targets. You can manage key results and KPIs together and see strategy to execution and alignment gaps. You can also use their AI to draft and improve your OKRs. Also, they have cascading OKR structures such as team, squad, and individual OKRs. Other key features include real-time dashboards, heat maps, and smart scorecards, as well as built-in meeting and action tracking tools linked directly to goals. So we can clearly see that their main strength lies in their AI capabilities. So what is Workboard AI's downsides? Well, if we look at some reviews, we can see that their tool has a learning curve. It is a complicated platform, and users have said that their interface might be a bit slow. With all of that, Workboard AI is still at the cutting edge of AI and OKR management. That is why they deserve a spot on this list. And finally, number 5 on our list is going to be Asana. This might be a bit of a surprise to some of you. I can already hear some of you say, but isn't that a project management software? No, it is one of the best project management software. And they have some goal and OKR features. Asana is on this list for a very specific group of people. If you have large-scale project management needs and you're already using Asana for project management, then Asana is the OKR tool for you. So let's talk about some of their features, and right off the bat, Asana is a great tool for managing projects at large scales, and if you connect your employee goals to those projects, you have something in your hands. Asana offers its users the ability to link projects and tasks to goals for automatic goal progress updates, real-time dashboards and universal reporting, built-in OKR templates, milestones, and timeline views. What makes Asana great is its effortless goal-to-task connection for execution-focused teams and its easy adoption alongside its user-friendly interface. If we need to talk about the downside, it is quite obvious. Asana is not a dedicated advanced OKR software. So capabilities you would expect from the other tools on this list, such as integrated OKRs into performance management reviews and advanced OKR scoring, they are out the window. So if you have large or complex OKR structures, Asana might not be the tool for you. But it is still a great project management solution, and if you're already using it, it is a very solid, lightweight OKR tool. But that about brings us to the end of our list. What did you think? What did I miss? Did I leave out your favorite OKR software? Just let me know in the comments. Hey, we release helpful content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to try the highest rated OKR software in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teamflect, for absolutely free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.